Good morning to everyone. Welcome to online class. Today, I happy this moment. Dear student, today you will learn about the electric field lines. Just a minute. I will share my PPT presentation to you. Okay. Dear student, you subscribe my YouTube videos and likes, comment and share it. And before, click the bell buttons. Today, motivational thought by Dr. Albert Einstein. Education is not the learning of facts, but training of the mind to the thinker. I repeat, dear student, keep your mind. Albert Einstein says that education is not the learning of fact, but training of mind to the thinker. Let us start our class today. The electric field lines. The electric field can be represented by the field lines. The lines start on a positive charge and end on a negative charge. The lines curves are continuous in a charge-free region. Did you know that there are many interesting patterns that can be formed with the study of electrical field lines? Well, dear student, you surely did not learn this in your geometry class. Let us take a look at the concept. And you know that an electric field can be used in pictorial form to describe the overall intensity of the field around it. This is representation is called the electrical field lines, and these are certain properties and rules and application of electric field lines. Dear students, the concept of electric field was first proposed by Michael Faraday in the 19th century, and also Faraday always thought of electric field lines as ones which can be used to describe and interpret the invisible electric field. Dear student, electric field lines like charge or ripple whether if the positive or negative. An electric field line is defined as a region in which an electric charge experiences a force. The charged particle or charged object can neither be positive or negative, and the opposite charges attract each other and like charges are repel. The field lines, the electric field lines, visible representation of electric field created by single charge or group of charges, and it is as capital E field. This is a three-dimensional concept and therefore it can be visualized to very great correctness in a plane, and this is letter E represent the electric field vector, and also it is tangent to the field of line at each point, and also the direction of these lines in the same as the direction of electric field vector. Let us take an example. Dear student, two electrons will tend to repel each other because both have a negative electrical charge. Two protons will also tend to repel each other because they both have a positive charge. And the other hand, electrons and proton will be attracted to each other because of the unlike charges. Next, dear students, you know that electric field lines, the field of lines are perpendicular to the surface of charge. You see the image of diagram. Let us take an example for that. The clear explanation for here. Electric field lines always point in one direction at any point. When two lines intersect each other, the tangents are drawn at that point, indicating two direction of electric field lines, which is impossible. Therefore, electric field lines cannot be crossed over each other. That's why we can write for here electric field lines. The field lines can be never cross each other. You can see the image of diagram, positive and negative field lines can be never cross each other. Since the electric field lines point radially away from the charges, they are perpendicular to the equipotential lines. The field is strong when the lines are close together, and it is weak when the field lines move apart from each other. It's a very important, dear student. You can see the image, and you can I repeat once again. Field is line strong when the lines are close to together. You can see the image of diagram. The field drawn from the image when is close to the electric field. It's a near image. The field is strong and it is weak when the field is lines move apart from each other. And also the electric field lines is obey inversely proportional to the square of distance. And electric field lines, number of field lines is directly proportional to the magnitude of charge. Since the electric field lines point radially away from the charge, they are perpendicular to the equipotential lines. The potential is the same along each equipotential line. Its meaning that no work is permitted to move a charge anywhere along one of these lines. And electric field lines are if the charge is single, whether positive or negative, then they start or end at the infinity. I have shown you image of diagram, positive charge. If the charge is single, then they start or end at infinity. It will move, go on. So, thank you students. Today you learn about electric field lines. I hope well you done. Thank you. Thank you students. Peace be with you. Thank you.